in here, so let's see.
Well, that authority's been made in conjunction with our partner agencies. So Carmarthenshire County Council have been involved in that decision making. The police. Yes, they were. Yes. Okay. So I wasn't in that meeting. I was here.
So what about
that was ongoing, and the decision was made, and that information was passed to me. Okay. So I'm sure if you want written the written proof of that, we can get that to you, whether that be today or.
Well, does the Wildlife Act then go away? You know.
Well,
get
pushed when saying
I understand
on the
that.
hedge. I knew you cut the hedge now.
And I'm not an expert in the Wildlife Act. I don't know the Wildlife Act, okay? And yes, can I just answer that question? Yeah, no, I'll answer the question. So, I appreciate and I understand that there are some issues around the Wildlife Act, and until I know what those are in terms of the Wildlife Act and what's happened, then, you know, I'm not really in a position to answer that question.
You're not supposed to cut the hedges here between March and August.
Okay, I understood it to be trees, but I shall check on the hedges issue, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Yes.
Wherever your officers are coming from, the next couple of days are peaceful. Your job is for de-escalation, not escalation, right? In the last 3 decades, the way your uniform has transformed, right? I'm an 80s child, loads of people older, right? We used to have an overcoat, one baton and one radio, right? And we used to be carted home. Now we get everything. Your sprains, your handcuffs, your legs, your fists, your heads, your everything, right? We get that now, and it's all down to whether you, as an individual, professional officer, I can go a mile up the road, right? Here to answer any questions you may have.
But you need to do a daily briefing. I've told you this before, Inspector.
And we're here, so if people have got...
Yeah, but you're here ad hoc. You should be here and telling the people this morning, and then when you change over, if there's any changes. You've said something this morning which is good. You said that you don't believe that
I'm here now, so let's have their question. It was regrettable, okay? Hopefully, moving forwards, we don't want that to happen again. We really don't. We didn't want that to happen yesterday, believe it or not. Whatever happened, we didn't want that to happen. But it has happened. Moving forward from yesterday, today, moving forward into the weeks, because let's be honest folks, I think this is going to go on for weeks. We don't want that to happen again. Yes, it is. Yes.
Bottom line, that's it.
Bottom line, that's it. That's the God's honest truth. Yes, there's a hole in the hedge there.
Oh, yeah.
So that's to allow the security to go through there. There is no way that you're going to get people and beds and anything else. If there's going to climb up into that. They haven't had that opportunity. Okay, they weren't given that opportunity yesterday. So we had to ensure that there was a way out. I'll come to you in a minute, sir, please. We had to ensure that there was some sort of way for them to get out. People got arrested, yes, people got hurt. We had asked people to move, we had explained why we wanted people to move. That vehicle needed to move, we needed to have...
And we moved the vehicle, that was
eventually, okay? And we can argue that all day, but it was moved. I appreciate that.
Actually, make sure you get...
And I think
Spread these photos across all these, you know, because let's be honest about it,